I haven't really been setting off fireworks the last couple days because it's been really, really dry, but it's been raining all day. Hi, Pyro Pup. So we're gonna set one off. It's just a little star cannon loaded with 3 types of stars. Kind of overloaded. Let's see how it goes. Jesus, it's cold today. I'm just reusing a tube that I had from before. You can hear the water squishing under my feet, so no chance of fire. Well, the stars were really pretty, but the tube got real effed up. Real effed up. So just a reminder, things can always go sideways. Literally.